switching places with HD today. We got probably about a half a paper bag of a big, the big grocery, half a paper bag of tomatoes also. Plus we pulled peppers and tomatoes pretty much all late summer into fall. So I mean, for months we've been pulling peppers and tomatoes kind of at will. I got a half bag. I got them in a paper bag to ripen them up. None of them were ripe. Temperature's changing though. It's about to get really cold. So learned a lot of things from doing this year. A lot of stuff we planted got either eaten or just never made it out the gate. So just a lot to learn from this year. But I just cut down the tomato tree. I'm gonna just go with a different tomato next year. I had a lot of problems. It seemed like it was susceptible to disease, that one. But all the bugs love that one, so maybe that had to do with it. The bugs were all over it. The peppers, though, these peppers were hardy. They were chewed up. They got chewed down to nubs and grew back to be full-on bushes and produce all summer. And I mean, if anybody knows how much I eat peppers, I eat a lot of peppers. They're full of vitamin C and all types of other good stuff for you. So we got jalapenos and we got serranos. So I got, all in all, everything that got lost, mostly the knowledge was gained this summer on growing stuff. And so these are gonna get canned and these are gonna get canned and put up, and I'm gonna dry out some, hang dry. So the next couple days is supposed to be halfway decent. Maybe I can hang dry some of them. We'll have peppers all winter long, and just cleaned up the pepper bushes so they are already established next year. We'll keep them inside to keep them warm. See if I can't get them to like kind of go dormant but stay healthy until next year, and then just blow up as soon as it gets springtime out here. I would have even more peppers. So next year we will attempt the things that we attempted, spinach and onions and garlic. And then I'm gonna do everything I can get my hands on next year that I can fit in maybe like a 8-foot by 8 foot raised bed, and just cram everything I can in there, and just try to produce the most you can. And I know lots of people that are realistically talk about gardens now and gardening. So if that's a bright spot on this whole Debbie downward that we're on right now, maybe that's a light, a lot of people going back to growing and learning this knowledge. Because some places you probably got to try harder. Arkansas weather is really awesome and very conducive to growing everything and anything out here, except for when this cold turns. So yeah, just bam and bam, serrano and jalapeno tomatoes in the bag, so they can ripen up. Maybe when they ripen up I'll do a video, but more less bounty and more knowledge this year. Learned a lot of stuff, so gaining knowledge, a positive to take away from this year. Peace.